Roberts 1407 Rapid Repair Wood Adhesive is a high solids advanced acrylic latex adhesive designed for the installation of engineered and parquet wood flooring. This convenient tube size makes it easy for quick repairs and simple molding and trim installations. A 3/8 inch bead covers up to 35 linear feet, while a 1/4 inch bead covers up to 56 linear feet per 30-ounce cartridge. It has an open time of up to 20 minutes and a working time of up to 30 minutes. 1407, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers.